Namaste Bharat and hello everyone. I am Aradhya, personalized dysphagia assistant to Dr. Karpuram Govati Nikhila, a renowned dysphagia speech specialist and researcher. I am getting trained under her. With her expertise, till now I have gained invaluable knowledge in the field of dysphagia management. So far my outcomes are excellent. Oh, enough about me. If we move into the topic, today I am here to introduce you to 5 groundbreaking tools designed to revolutionize dysphagia assessment and management. Dysphagia affects millions worldwide, making swallowing a daily challenge. Without proper intervention, it can lead to malnutrition, dehydration, aspiration pneumonia, and even life-threatening conditions. But what if we had the right resources to ensure safe swallowing? Yes, to make the things more precise, comfortable and safe, we have come up with Dysphagia Kit, which is very close to our hearts, and I am here to demonstrate to you all today. So come on, let's explore the future of dysphagia care together. Now, I introduce you all to our first groundbreaking innovation designed to transform dysphagia assessment and management, the Portable Dysphagia Assessment and Management Toolkit. A good assessment is the first step towards the better care, and when it comes to swallowing disorders, early detection and management can change lives. We understand that swallowing disorders require timely assessment and intervention. However, limited resources, varying environments and accessibility challenges often delay care. That's where this kit comes in, a fully equipped portable solution that empowers you to provide effective dysphagia care. Let's take a closer look at what makes this kit indispensable. This compact kit is thoughtfully designed to ensure that clinicians have everything they need for comprehensive swallowing assessment. Inside you will find all essential tools such as tongue depressors, torchlight, laryngeal mirror, earbuds, cotton balls, gauze, gloves, saturation probe and stethoscope, cup, spoon, syringe, straw, custard powder, commercial feed, thicken up dysphagia taste kit, performers and dysphagia exercise handouts, diet recommendation sheets and therapy response sheets, dysphagia A&M and dysphagia tips booklets. Not only for swallowing assessment, it can also be used for comprehensive swallowing management, and the tools includes tongue depressors, earbuds, cotton balls, gauze, micropore, gloves, syringe, cup, spoon and straw. Dysphagia taste kit, oromotor kit, vibratory brush, EMST 150, mucus remover device, mirror, and VST biofeedback machine. Dysphagia A&M and dysphagia tips booklets, disease-specific therapy sheets, aspiration screening checklists, RTF monitoring and TT care, performers worksheets, dysphagia exercise handouts, disease-related therapeutic materials response sheets, and that's just the beginning. One of the key innovations of this kit is the folding adjustable stand table. This creates a stable height-adjustable surface, allowing for comfortable and precise assessment even in resource-limited settings such as outreach programs or home care, rural areas, camps, etc. By bringing all essential tools into one compact system, this kit ensures standardized, professional-grade dysphagia care, reducing variability and improving patient outcomes. Early detection leads to better interventions. With this kit, healthcare professionals can quickly assess swallowing function, implement appropriate management strategies, and monitor therapy progress, all in one streamlined workflow. More than just a set of tools, this is a step forward in dysphagia care, making it accessible, effective, and adaptable to diverse clinical environments. Healthcare is evolving, and so are the tools we use. With this innovation, you can now provide dysphagia assessment and management anywhere, ensuring that no patient is left behind. Finally, technology is best when it brings people together, and today, this toolkit brings clinicians and patients closer to better swallowing care, wherever they are. Now, I introduce you all to our third innovation, dysphagia stamps. Ever wondered how to make food safer for people with dysphagia? How to identify the patient with risk of aspiration? How can we give them an identification mark to track and to take all appropriate measurements at right time and safely? I think most of the people might have facing the issue in explaining the texture modification and diet recommendation to kitchen staff. Then meet our dysphagia stamps. They make it simple. These special labels help identify safe food textures for patients, caregivers, and kitchen staff. Also give the labeled stamp at patient bedside with appropriate marking for feeding measurements. Clinicians, nurses, caretakers, pantry people, dietitians, all hospital staffs can identify the risk of aspiration patients with designated dysphagia stamps on their hand or to the bed tag. Why do you think dysphagia stamps matters? Without clear labeling, a patient might receive unsafe food, leading to choking or aspiration. Dysphagia stamps help prevent this by ensuring the right food reaches the right person. Food identification and safety measurements are given with a few color marking on the stamps. These colors include red along with green and yellow stamps, including orange stamps, and finally blue stamps. These stamps can also be used for training purposes for students to know the anatomical structures and the pathway of swallowing. Students and clinicians can use these stamps in their report in order to write better documentation and as an explanation to the caretakers and patients and also to the other healthcare professionals. These stamps can be used at pantry services for proper diet recommendation based on the color identification. These stamps can be used at nursing handover or shifting times as a high-risk dysphagia care patient, and also it can be used on patients' personal files as a reference care. These stamps can be used on kitchen trolley and on pantry fridge for better dysphagia colored textured diet management, which makes the patient to receive the correct textured diet. These stamps can also use to educate and counseling the caretakers and patients by showing the exact marking on the affected area by marking with appropriate coloring. These stamps can also be used as tracheostomy care management protocols under high-risk TT care management and oral care. These stamps can also be used for NG, NJ, PEG feeding risk factors and for following precautions. To implement this in hospital, clinic, care homes, a proper training and protocol is needed. We are here to help you. Then why so late? Small changes make big impact. Smallest details often prevent the largest tragedies. These stamps speak when patients cannot. Implement dysphagia stamps today. Now, let me introduce you all to our second innovation, dysphagia booklets. Feeding someone with dysphagia can feel overwhelming, but with the right knowledge, you can ensure to come up with a safe and comfortable plan. How do you know if they're swallowing safely? What parameters to be considered? What therapies work? So here we are, introducing the Dysphagia Assessment and Management Booklet, a step-by-step guide designed for healthcare professionals, students, caregivers, and patients to ensure safe swallowing and effective care. Dysphagia occurs when swallowing becomes difficult due to stroke, neurological conditions, any other health-related issues, or aging. Without proper management, it can lead to malnutrition, dehydration, and aspiration, pneumonia, and sometimes death. So it is very important for all the clinicians and students to know the basic parameters, what to consider while performing the swallowing assessment and management. Our A&M book consists of 2 sections. The first section of this booklet explains what is dysphagia, signs and symptoms, common causes and risk factors, and the proformas and scales. The second section of this booklet explains about dysphagia management strategies. Once dysphagia is identified, effective management is the key. The booklet provides clear dietary guidelines, therapy exercises, and compensatory swallow maneuvers. Food texture modifications, compensatory swallow maneuvers, oromotor exercises, active and passive swallow exercises, sensory and vibratory stimulation exercises, voice exercises, positioning and environment adjustments, sitting upright, reducing distractions, along with some therapy response sheets for clinician and patient record use. Not only for clinicians and patient purposes, this booklet can also be used by students in their universities as a clinical practicum and as a dysphagia practice booklet for a better practice. Our second booklet is Dysphagia Tips Booklet. Caring for someone with dysphagia can be challenging, but the right information can make a big difference. That's why we created this Dysphagia Caretaker Booklet. your go-to guide for safe and effective care. Now, our booklet includes essential tips such as preparing the right food textures, proper feeding positions, recognizing aspiration sign and aspiration precautions measurements, precautions while feeding through NG, NJ, peg feeding and tracheostomy care management, oral care management, procedure for NG, NJ peg feeding along with feed preparation techniques. Finally, knowledge without action is merely information. Knowledge with compassion becomes healing. This booklet transforms fear into capability. Knowledge is the first step to safe swallowing. This booklet isn't just information, it's protection for the one in need. Whether you're a clinician, student, caregiver, or patient, these booklets are your trusted guide to safer swallowing and better dysphagia management. Get your copy today and start making patients swallow safely. Now, I introduce you all to our fourth innovation, dysphagia mannequins. Learning how to manage dysphagia requires real practice. That's where dysphagia mannequins come in. Reading about dysphagia is one thing. Seeing it in action makes all the differences. Want to learn how swallowing works? Dysphagia mannequins provide a hands-on way to understand normal swallowing and disordered swallowing. Swallowing involves precise muscle coordination. Let's see what happens when it works correctly and when it doesn't. Here we have two swallowing mannequins, which shows about the normal and abnormal swallowing along with its anatomical structures. Demonstrating normal swallowing. Mannequin has the clear visual of oral cavity, the tongue, soft palate, and epiglottis. It shows about how the normal swallowing takes place, that is, food moves safely from mouth to throat. Demonstrating abnormal swallowing. The other mannequin is designed to show about the abnormal swallowing, where the food is entering into the trachea with anatomical structural view. It can also use in hospitals, universities, clinics, rehabilitation centers, home care, and colleges to show the caretakers, patients about normal and abnormal swallowing mechanism and how is it affecting them. Both of these mannequins are designed in a way to practice and to have a proper hands-on training program by passing a ball from the oral cavity to the throat, where it allows them to learn and differentiate between normal and abnormal swallowing, where it gives an immense knowledge to the one to learn about all anatomical structures, practically by doing these trails. This also allows the clinician to educate the caretaker by showing the demo and also can use for creating awareness. Understanding dysphagia starts with seeing it. Experience is the best teacher. These mannequins turn complex medical concepts into tangible learning experiences. Train with dysphagia mannequin today and create the awareness among the public. Now, I introduce you all to our fifth innovation, Dysphagia app. Here is the link to the same. Managing dysphagia is easier with the Dysphagia app. Get expert guidance and connect with right clinician at right time with proper guidance, and clinical management will allow you to overcome the dysphagia and have a better quality of life. As we all know, in India still people are struggling to connect with the dysphagia specialist at right time. Still there is lack of awareness on dysphagia and less knowledge on treatment procedures. A lot other questions like whom to consult, where to go and what to do, what happened to me, and why am I not able to eat? All these questions made us to come up with this Nation Dysphagia Connecting Guide app, which acts as a bridge in between clinician and patient by connecting them with the right person with right guidance. The Dysphagia app includes link http://www.nationdysphagiacareguide.com/form. Once you open this, it has few questions and the respective person need to fill the questions. Once the question's done, it generates a message to the clinicians and patient, and within 24 hours, it connects with the clinician near to their area with proper guidance and support. Finally, dysphagia care made easy. Distance should never determine destiny. Technology does not replace human touch, it extends its reach. Bridging gaps, one click at a time, can make dysphagia care more simplified. Govati ma'am, after demonstrating your innovative work, finally what I have to say to all is, innovation without compassion is merely invention, but when we combine technological advancement with human understanding, We don't just treat conditions, we transform lives. The future of dysphagia care isn't coming tomorrow, it begins today with each of us. Dysphagia doesn't have to be a journey of uncertainty. These tools represent our commitment to transforming confusion into clarity, isolation into connection, risk into safety, helplessness into empowerment. Dysphagia A&M Toolkit. With the right tools, we can make swallowing safer, diagnosis faster, and care more accessible. The Dysphagia booklet educates and empowers. Dysphagia stamps ensure safety at every meal. Dysphagia mannequins bring learning to life. The Dysphagia app connects patients with care at the right time. Finally, innovation is our treatment, compassion is our cure. The right tools at the right time can change anyone's life because every swallow matters. Govati ma'am, I think I have explained the maximum within my time limit. Now I give it to you. Thank you and appreciate you all for your dedication to better patient outcomes. Together we all can make swallowing safe again. See you all soon. Till then, take care.